Hi everybody, Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker here, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make your own earrings with the Cricut. Who would have thought? So let's get started. Here I've got my leather for my earrings, so again I need to prep it. I wonder what my dog is barking at upstairs. And put the back on the transfer tape. Again, we're using transfer tape to help save our mat because we need to use the strong grip mat. And we are going to, that's a little bit bigger than I need, so I'm just going to trim that down. Trim that. Put that on our mat. Push it down so it's good and secure with our little scraper tool there. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in my Cricut again. I'm going to open it. Ta-da! And as it opens, I'm going to come over here to my computer and go to Cricut Design Space. Okay, that piece of leather is a little bit thicker and it kind of wants to keep coming up over there. I hope it won't give us any problems. So I'm telling Cricut Design Space that I'm ready to cut. I've got my knob over here that you can't see. My knob right here is set to custom, and then on the computer I set it to leather. This light is blinking, so it's ready to load. It didn't load straight because I wasn't under that track, so I'm gonna just do it again. There we go, load it. Push that down, and then cut. And it knows exactly how many times to go over the piece to give it a nice good cut, but not too thick of a cut to where it cuts into my mat. Okay, so I'm going to take that off. And it looks like it did, because it bubbled right there. Okay, we might have to trim a little bit with our scissors. Leather is one of those kind of tricky materials because each piece of leather is really unique, and so you have to allow for that. So we're just going to trim up there where it needs to be trimmed, because it didn't cut all the way through right there. There we go. And this one, we're gonna take our awl right here. That's such a weird word to say, awl, because it's not A-L-L, it's A-W-L, and so it just feels weird. But we're going to, again, push that little hole through. I put a hole in the template, and this leather is thick because my awl doesn't even want to go into it. And I don't want to poke it into my finger. That would be bad. There's one. Do the same with this one. We're gonna twist. Twist. And of course we want the front. I'm going to grab that and we're going to twist it back. We're not pulling straight out or anything like that. We're twisting. So there are our earrings. Weren't these earrings so super simple to make? And they are so cute. I'm so excited to wear these out on the town. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting!